Most people think investing is only for rich people, but the truth is, even if you feel completely broke, even if $500 is all you have to your name, you can still change your financial future if you use it the smart way. The problem is not money. The real problem is that nobody ever taught you how to think about money. And if you click away from this video right now, you'll repeat the same cycle that keeps millions of people stuck forever. But if you stay until the end, you will understand how $500 can become a system that works for you instead of disappearing like it always does. Think about this for a second. If $500 was truly useless, then no successful investor would ever start small. Yet every wealthy person you admire started with less than you think. The difference between someone who stays broke and someone who builds wealth is not income, it's decisions. Broke people spend small amounts. Smart people turn small amounts into assets. And if you're tired of stressing about bills, feeling behind in life, and wondering why money never stays, this video isn't just advice, it's a wake-up call. Here's a hard truth most people don't want to hear. If you try to turn $500 into quick money overnight, you will almost certainly lose it. That's not investing, that's gambling. Real investing means putting money where it grows with time, control, and discipline. And smart investing doesn't start with stocks or crypto. It starts with building a foundation that protects you from mistakes before you make them. Beginners fail because they follow hype instead of strategy. Every day you see people online saying, buy this stock or this coin is about to explode. But almost nobody talks about risk management or long-term thinking. That's why the smartest move with $500 is not putting it all in one place. When you spread your money across smart opportunities, you reduce risk and increase survival. Survival always comes before growth. One of the most powerful ways to use $500 is to invest in your ability to earn more, skills or assets that cannot be taken away when markets crash. Digital skills, online income tools, freelancing abilities, content creation, AI-based services, and personal branding are in massive demand right now. Yet competition is still low if you enter with the right strategy. When you invest in skills, you're not just investing money, you're investing in future cash flow. Many people misunderstand investing. They think it only means the stock market. But if you're starting broke, your first goal should be income, not speculation. Without cash flow, investing becomes emotional and dangerous. That's why smart investors focus on creating income first, then reinvesting that income into long-term asset. When money starts coming in consistently, your entire mindset changes. Imagine the moment you earn your first dollar online from something you built. That moment isn't about money, it's about confidence. Confidence creates momentum, and momentum is what separates quitters from winners. Most people quit right before results appear. The people who succeed are the ones who stay consistent when it feels slow. Another reason beginners lose money is because they let emotions control their decisions. Smart investing requires patience. Checking prices every day, panicking during drops, and chasing quick wins will destroy your progress. The most valuable currency in investing is discipline. If you can control your emotions, you can control your results. Here's something most people ignore. No investment will make you wealthy if your lifestyle stays the same. Investing works when habits change. Controlling unnecessary spending, delaying short-term pleasure, and thinking long-term is what allows small investments to compound into something meaningful. Your habits either protect your money or drain it. If you're wondering where to start, the answer is simple. Start now, not later. Waiting for the perfect time costs more than you realize. Every delay has a hidden price, and that price is lost experience. You don't need perfection, you need action. Ask yourself this. When you spend $500 on gadgets, clothes, or short-term enjoyment, what do you really get in return? Temporary happiness. But when you turn $500 into an asset, you buy future freedom. The same money creates completely different results based on how you use it. If you're still watching, it means you don't want to be average. Average people complain about money. Smart people learn how to control it. The size of your investment doesn't matter nearly as much as your consistency. Small amounts, used wisely, beat big amounts, used emotionally every single time. This journey won't be easy. You will make mistakes. You may lose money. You will doubt yourself. But every loss teaches you something if you stay in the game. People who grow financially aren't lucky. They're persistent. Knowledge combined with action is what creates real growth. If you want the exact step-by-step strategy beginners use to turn small amounts into real income without scams or risky shortcuts, make sure you visit the channel and watch the next video. And remember this, investing isn't about how much money you have. It's about the decisions you make with what you have today.